Welcome to Best Choice. The best Pex Shutoff valve is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any plumbing system, ensuring you have precise control over water flow for maintenance, repairs, or emergencies. And today we're diving deep into what makes a Pex Shutoff valve truly stand out in terms of reliability, ease of use, and long-term performance, helping you make an informed decision for your home. Number 5. 10-pack 1-2 PX Brass Ball Valve. Introducing a convenient 10-pack of 1-2-inch PX brass ball valves. These are designed for reliable water shutoff in your plumbing systems. Featuring a full port design, these valves ensure maximum flow when open. They are perfect for both hot and cold water applications. Easily identify hot and cold lines with the distinct red and blue handles. This simplifies installation and maintenance. Crafted from DZR brass, these valves offer excellent resistance to corrosion. This ensures long-lasting durability and performance. They are compatible with stainless steel clamp and copper crimp ring systems. You can use them with all types and brands of PX tubing. Rest assured with quality you can trust. These valves are certified with ASTM F1807 and NSF ANSI 61 standards. What we like. This option offers a great value with a 10-pack, perfect for larger projects. Its corrosion-resistant DZR brass ensures longevity. If you're looking for a bulk solution for both hot and cold water lines and prioritize durability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The valve is easy to install and operate. It has a good build quality and feels durable. The shutoff mechanism works smoothly and effectively. Number 4. 10 PCS 1-2 PX Brass Full Port Ball Valves. Introducing a set of 10 1-2-inch PX brass ball valves. This pack includes 5 red for hot water and 5 blue for cold water applications. Crafted from durable brass, these valves are built to last. They are certified for quality and safety, ensuring reliable performance in your plumbing system. Designed for PX pipes, these shutoff valves offer excellent corrosion and rust resistance. They can handle a maximum pressure of 400 psi, providing a long service life. Installation is a breeze with these valves, requiring no special tools or flame. They are compatible with stainless steel clamp and copper crimp ring systems. These versatile valves are suitable for various PX tubing types and brands. They are ideal for use in kitchens, with faucets, and for general water distribution. What we like. Get a generous 10-pack with these durable brass valves, designed for a long service life. They are ideal for circulating heating and water distribution systems. If you need a reliable, long-lasting solution for extensive plumbing jobs and want to easily distinguish hot and cold lines, consider this set. What people say. The valve is easy to install and operate. It has a good build quality and feels durable. The shutoff mechanism works smoothly and effectively. Number 3. EFIELD PX Angle Stop Valve 10-pack. Introducing the EFIELD PX Angle Stop Valve, a reliable solution for your plumbing needs. This pack includes 10 high-quality valves designed for durability and ease of use. Crafted from durable brass and chrome-plated for longevity, these valves are built to last. They offer a smooth 1/4-turn operation for quick shutoff. Designed to integrate seamlessly with major PX tubing systems. The PX side is compatible with both stainless steel clamp and copper crimp ring systems. Rest assured with certified performance. These valves meet stringent industry standards, including ASTM F1807, NSF ANSI 61, and ASSE 1061. Sourced directly from one of the largest manufacturers in PX systems. You're getting a product that embodies expertise and quality. Featuring a 3/8 decompression fitting on one side and a 1/2 PX barb crimp connection on the other. This versatile design ensures a secure and leak-free connection. What we like. This 10-pack features an angle stop valve design with a chrome-plated brass construction, perfect for tight spaces. If you are installing new fixtures like sinks or toilets and need a valve that directs water flow at an angle, this is the most suitable option. What people say. The valve is easy to install and operate. It has a good build quality and feels durable. The shutoff mechanism works smoothly and effectively. Number 2. XFITTING 1-2 Pex Ball Valve, 2-pack. Introducing the XFITTING 1-2 Pex Ball Valve, available in a convenient 2-pack. This set includes both a red handle for hot water and a blue handle for cold water. It's designed for seamless compatibility with all types and brands of PX tubing. Whether you're using Watts, Viega, or other major brands, it will fit perfectly. This valve is certified to ANSI NSF 61 and CUPC standards. It's approved for use in both potable water systems and hydronic heating water distribution. Engineered for both hydronic heating and potable water, it can handle up to 400 psi. It's also approved for installation underground and behind walls without needing access panels. Featuring a 1/4 turn ball valve, it provides smooth and fast shutoff. This makes managing water flow incredibly simple and efficient. It's the perfect solution for controlling water flow in a wide range of applications. This includes both residential and commercial plumbing systems. What we like. This 2-pack offers a smooth quarter-turn ball valve that's approved for underground and behind-wall installations. If you're undertaking renovations where access panels are not feasible or you need a reliable shutoff for specific zones in your hydronic heating or potable water system, this is a strong contender. What people say. The valve is easy to install and operate. It provides a reliable shutoff for the water line. The quarter-turn handle makes it convenient to use. Number 1. Easy Fluid 10-piece Pex Valve Kit. This shutoff valve is crafted from chrome-plated brass, ensuring durability and reliability for your faucet and toilet installations. Get a pack of 10 valves, perfect for handling multiple projects around your home. You'll have plenty for any job. Installation is straightforward with the included crimp ring. Just ensure you have the right PEX tool for a secure fit. Control your water flow with ease. A simple quarter turn is all it takes to turn the water on or off, ideal for faucets and toilets. It features a PX barb inlet for F1807 fittings and tubing, plus a 380 decompression outlet for standard supply lines. Constructed from lead-free brass, these valves are built for superior strength and reliability in both homes and businesses. Designed to perform, they can handle temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 200 psi, ensuring long-term, dependable operation. What we like. This 10-pack of angle stop valves is constructed from lead-free brass for superior reliability and easy quarter-turn operation. If you're working on residential or commercial applications, particularly with faucets and toilets, and prioritize safe, easy-to-use components, this value pack is a great pick. What people say. The valve is easy to install and operate, with a smooth quarter-turn handle that provides a secure shutoff. The PX connection is reliable and does not leak, even under pressure. The valve feels sturdy and well-made. It effectively stops the water flow with a simple turn, preventing potential water damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.